Alright, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Basically, I have invested in a 3D printer. I have decided that I'm gonna just start printing a whole bunch of stuff this summer, so on and so forth, whatever, and start documenting the process. I'm gonna be designing everything from scratch. I'm gonna be printing and prototyping everything with that guy right there, Creality CR-10S 3D printer. Gonna have some fun with it. So basically, today, the first thing we are gonna be designing is a pre-workout scooper. Yo. Now basically what inspired this design was that a buddy of mine wanted me to try his pre-workout. He's like, yo, this thing's dope, come to the gym, give it a shot. And what happened was I showed up to the gym and only had a water bottle. Now for those of you that know, I'm perfectly fine with pre-workout to the dome, but if you want to keep it a little classy, you should probably shake it up. And with the water bottle, it doesn't work too easily. So you know what? Let's design our own pre-workout scooper that funnels into a water bottle. Now, a bunch of manufacturing companies sort of have that already. They do like a funnel attachment on top of the pre-workout scoop, but that's like a big bulky pre-workout thing and it's kind of complicated. So I was like, let's give it a shot. And I think what I'm gonna try and go with is making the, let me pull this back up, the handle itself be the funnel. So you scoop, grab it by this end, and then pour into the thing. Let's find out what happens. I'm gonna pull some measurements off of this guy and then get to sketching, and then I'll model it in Fusion 360 and send it over to the printer. Let's check it out. This guy came up with a little sketch. Don't judge. Nice. Looks good. Let's start on Fusion 360, see what happens. Alright, so I got the sketch done and 3D modeled. I'll put it up on the screen right there, give you guys a better look at it. Like I said earlier, I just kind of went with the funnel being the handle. And it's going to be at the bottom of the scoop end. It almost looks like a pipe. But anyway, I'm going to get this sliced in Cura and sent over to the 3D printer. And then we'll get the 3D printer going, and when it's finished, we'll check it out. And 3, 2, 1. All right, it is finished printing. It came out pretty good, printed in black PLA. Pre-workout scoops are usually white, so I wanted to switch it up. Moment of truth. Let's test this guy out. Got my water bottle, and let's see if this guy poured. There's a little bit of water in there because I washed it and it's clumping in there. Maybe should go a little bigger on the hole. Otherwise, it worked. It's time to hit the gym. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a subscribe, like this video. Really like to build a following on YouTube, start pumping out some projects. My design skills will get better as we go along. I'm gonna use this as a kind of a way to document my learning curve and the design process and just kind of how I think about things. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.